Okay, so yeah, let's see you walking. So, and you're really bending forward, aren't you? And what happens when? Oops, sorry. And what happens when you try to stand up straight? So
no, I can't.
You can't stand. So you're literally hobbling.
I just can't get straight anymore.
What happens when you try? Do you get more pain in your legs?
What do you mean?
No. I mean, do you get more pain in your leg when you try to stand up? That's fine. You can walk back now.
It's
in the back. And how about the thigh? Are you feeling in the thigh now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It goes down into that knee.
Right. Okay,
And
that's fine.
It's,
Make your way back. Yeah, I just wanted to see your posture because we'll be able to compare that afterwards.